7:14. We have made it to the weekend. It's the last day of May, and we actually have a late season cold front that came through. Brought us some showers and storms yesterday. We're done with the rain for the weekend. We'll be dry and actually feeling cooler and less humid this morning. So we're going to be enjoying this weekend. No worries when it comes to the weather. The front is off to our south, still dealing with some rain across Florida in the peninsula, but we are completely dry for our Saturday. We've got a few leftover clouds this morning, but it's a picture perfect start to the day. We've got some sunshine and blue sky, 76 degrees. Dew points are in the low 60s, so that means it is not a muggy morning. It is a nice morning to go outside and take a walk and enjoy the fresh air. We've got north-northeast winds coming in around 10 to 15 miles per hour, so we do have a nice breeze behind that front from the north as well. Here are our current temperatures right now: 60s on the North Shore, 70s on the South Shore, 67 in Slidell and in Mandeville, 66 in Hammond, 63 in Macomb, mid-70s for the lakefront, 76 in Kenner, and low 70s for Belle Chase and Homa, 72 degrees. Here are those dew points across Louisiana: 60-degree dew points, even probably some upper 50s north of the lake in a few spots. So it is going to be a comfortable day today. Low humidity expected for our Saturday, and even staying comfortable with low humidity tomorrow. So great, perfect weekend to enjoy. Plenty of sunshine today. Don't forget to wear sunscreen if you will be out and about enjoying the day, which I'm sure lots of people will be out, eating lunch outside, taking a walk, enjoying this great weather. It still will be warm this afternoon. Temperatures will get to the mid-80s, but it will actually feel like the mid-80s with the lower humidity. Today is going to be a wonderful day. Tonight also looks great. Mostly clear skies, mild and nice again this evening. Really comfortable with that dry air in place. It feels really refreshing outside in the morning and at night, especially, even during the day. Tomorrow morning we'll start in the 60s on the North Shore and low 70s on the South Shore, just like this morning. Tomorrow, great weather, mix of sun and clouds, warm and pleasant. Still talking lower humidity. Temperatures tomorrow afternoon in the upper 80s. So we stay really comfortable today and tomorrow. The humidity is on the lower side, especially for this time of year, but it does increase though for the work week. So the humidity does return starting Monday and then just kind of gradually builds through the rest of the work week coming up. Today is going to be dry. Tomorrow also looks dry. There is a very minimal, slim chance for maybe a passing shower tomorrow evening, but you can see here on Precision Cast there really isn't a whole lot. But tomorrow night we may get a shower or two kind of working in as this impulse pushes into the deep south, but one or two showers and that's it tomorrow night. So most of tomorrow looks dry and really nice. So the whole weekend looks great. Here's the upper pattern. Here's that upper trough that brought us the dry air and the cold front. That stays in place the next several days. That impulse that moves in tomorrow with a little moisture is why I have a very small chance, 10% chance of rain tomorrow in the evening, and that's it. And then next week we get to a pretty standard summertime forecast to kick off the month of June. We'll have this area of high pressure build in the upper levels, moisture working back in. It'll be hot, humid with a chance for a few spotty storms every afternoon, mid to late week. Tomorrow is June 1st. It is the beginning of the 2025 hurricane season. Luckily, over the next week, there is nothing to worry about out in the tropics. We'll, of course, let you know if that changes, but no tropical concerns as we start hurricane season tomorrow. Nothing to worry about over the next week. Here's your 7-day forecast. It is looking great this weekend. Mid-80s this afternoon. Plenty of sunshine, low humidity. Enjoy this great weekend. Tomorrow also upper 80s. Partly cloudy, a 10% chance for a shower tomorrow evening, but not expecting much. Here is that 7-day into next week to kick off our first week of June. Back in the 90s, definitely feeling like June. Looking dry Monday and Tuesday, but Wednesday, Thursday, Friday with that moisture working back in, we get back into that summertime cycle with spotty showers and storms on tap mid to late next week. Temperatures back in the 90s, humidity up. That means our feels like temperatures next week will probably be near 100 degrees.